We love our smartphone, and we do a lot to take care of it. But there's always one thing we haven't been able to protect: battery life. Introducing Charby Sense, the world's smartest auto cutoff cable. It cuts off the power supply automatically when your battery's full to avoid prolonged charging, which actually shortens your battery life. With smart current sensing technology, Charby Sense accurately detects when your smartphone is fully charged and also tells you your charging speed through its smart LED indicator. Charby Sense features a charge booster mode, which allows you to charge your phone twice as fast. Also, it's built with high-grade copper wire for high-speed charging and data transfer. It's reinforced with Kevlar fibers throughout to make Charby Sense up to 3 times more durable than other generic cables available today. Overnight charging actually damages your battery, keeping it at a high capacity level throughout the whole night. Experts say avoid extreme battery levels. High temperature can degrade your battery, so don't leave your phone plugged in for too long. But come on, it's a hassle and inconvenient to always leave your phone uncharged when you can, isn't it? Well, that's why we created Charby Sense, to help you cut off the power supply completely when it's fully charged, so you can enjoy your sweet dreams all night without worrying about your phone battery. Haven't we all gone through these frustrating situations where our smartphone isn't plugged in properly? Charby Sense has a smart indicator so that you know when it's charging, so you'll never leave your phone uncharged again. Charging too slow on your laptop port? When you finish syncing, simply press the button on Charby Sense and it doubles your charging speed, so now you can charge your device in half the time. Never knowing if your smartphone is charging properly is frustrating. Charby Sense detects slow wall chargers and power banks, so you can switch to the better one you deserve. And it features a reversible end, so you'll always plug it in the right way every time. Also, it's 20% longer, so it has the extra length to reach you when you need it to. Finally, a better way to protect the battery life of all your devices, like power banks, speakers, and headphones. Anything powered by a USB port. Charby Sense is your ultimate cable solution. We're ready to bring Charby Sense to everyone. We just need you to help make it happen. Back our crowdfunding campaign so you can be one of the first to get an exclusive discount before the campaign ends. Enjoy a good night's sleep. Your battery will be ready when you are.